What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at an old project I did some time ago, a long time ago. It's the handset from an old telephone, the one with the rotary dial. Anyway, you can make some really cool sounds when you're making music with it, vocals, guitar, whatever. But you take the speaker out of here, you leave the piece that you speak into here, and then you get a 1/4-inch jack like so. It's got to be mono. Tip runs to one leg of your microphone in here, and then the sleeve runs to the other leg of it. So it's pretty straightforward. You plug it into the mixer, and then from there it runs into the computer, and then from there it runs into the software. And I have 2 tracks queued up. One's recorded with the Shure SM58, and the other one is recorded through the telephone. So let's take a listen. Now, what's up, guys? What you're hearing right now is me talking through the Shure SM58 vocal mic. What's up, guys? So right now I'm talking through the telephone mic on the old-time telephone, and I should be sounding exactly like I'm on a telephone. You can use it for vocals, you could use it for guitars. Let your imagination run wild. It's pretty fun, it's pretty cool, and there is absolutely 100% no filtering, no voice alteration or anything. It is directly coming from the telephone mic, plugged into the mixer, into the computer, into the software, as you're hearing me speak right now.